Today we're going to play 1, 2, 3. To begin with, in your pairs, count up to 3 in your turn, like this. 1,
2,
3.
1,
2,
3,
1,
2,
3. Now we're going to change the number 1 to a movement, like this.
2,
3, 2,
3, 2,
3. Next, I'm going to change the number 2 to the word sausage. So it goes like this.
sausage,
3, sausage,
3, sausage,
3. And finally, I'm going to change the number 3 to be this movement. So it goes like this.
sausage,
Sausage,
sausage.
and you can play this game as many times as you like and change the numbers to whatever movement or word you like. Enjoy!
Have fun.